Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Chapter 6 of recently launched Exp22 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing and many more courses. If you do not able to do this assignment, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you and I will handle your complete course. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is that Exp22 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wage is 1.3. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay, I am doing this assignment for my student. Please follow my video to get a plus grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. Start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Wages. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson at left dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Please, you can download this file easily on your Pearson portal. You can see this file. I have downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Now moving on question number 2. In question number 2, create range name based on the values in the range I10 to I11. Okay, basically in this question we will create range names based on the value in the range I10 to I11. This question has 15 points. You can read this instruction carefully and we will apply on Excel workbook. Okay, create range name based on the value in the range I10 to I11. You can select this range I10 to I11. Okay, enter this range in range area, or you can select this range. Okay, this range will be selected and then create range name based on the value. This value, click on formulas, then click on name range, create from selection, then left column, then click on OK. Then click on OK. This is done now. Range name will be created. Now moving on next question. In question number 3, added the name range gross earnings so it display as gross. Added the name range gross dash earnings so it displays as gross. Okay. We will add this range. Okay, click on name ranges and then go to the ranges and then we will add this range. Added the range names gross dash earnings so it displays as gross. Okay, click on name range, click on edit and you can this edit gross earning to gross, then click on OK, press OK and this question will be done. Okay, this is done now. Now we will moving on next question. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 4. In question number 4, apply the gross and total wages paid range names to the formula in cell I12 using the apply range name method. Okay, basically in this question we will apply the gross and total wages paid range name to the formula in cell I12 using the apply range name method. Okay. Okay, you can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A plus grade and very reasonable prices. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada and many more countries. Okay, apply the gross and total wages paid range names to the formula in cell I12 using the apply range name method. Okay, you can read this instruction, and I am doing this question on Excel workbook. You can see on my PC screen. You will follow my video to get A plus grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can then contact me on my WhatsApp and email. First, just click on this range and then click on OK. Enter this formula: gross subtract from total wages paid. Then press enter. Okay, gross subtract from total wages paid and then press enter. Okay, this is done now. Net earning will be found in here in cell I12. Now we will move on customer 5. In customer 5, load the solver, add okay, load the solver, add in if is not available. Set the objective cell to min total wages paid F13. Basically in this question we will load the solver, add in if it is not available. Okay, if the solver is not available, then set the objective cell to min total wage paid cell F13. Okay, you can see this. I am doing this question. I am going to doing this question on my Excel workbook. You can see on my Excel workbook, and you will follow my video and got A plus grade in your assignment. Basically in this question we will load the solver, okay, add, and if it is not available, then we will set the objective cell to min total wages paid cell F13. Okay, click on data tab and then click on solver. Okay, set objective is that set objective to min wages in cell F13. Click on cell F13 as set objective. Set objective is cell F13, then click, then select min, and then okay, customer 6 that assign horse, okay, assign horse works range E5 to E12 as the changing variable cells. Okay, we will assign our work range, enter this range E5 to E12 as the changing variable cells. Okay, changing variable cell will be E5 to E12 in assign horse work. Okay, we will enter this range in solver. Okay, changing variable cells in assign horse work. Okay, here is by changing variable cells you can see E5 to E12, then click. Okay, this is done now. Okay, then set a constraint to ensure horse schedule per employees or whole number. Okay, basically in this question we will set the constraints to ensure horse schedule per employees or whole number. Okay, we will set constraint. We will set constraints in the solver. You can see this. Okay, please follow my video to get A plus grade. If you do not able, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you and complete course for you. Set a constraint to ensure horse schedule per employees or whole number. Okay, Okay, we will set constraint. In here click on add and then cell references and then constraint, cell reference and then constraint is here. Okay, you can see this add constraint is here. Now we will add constraint first in here. Okay, set constraint to ensure full time employees work between 30 and 50 per hours per week, per employees and per horse week. Okay, okay, horse work is here. Cell references is horse work, horse schedule per employees whole number. Okay, then click on add integer and then enter constraint integer. This is good now. Now moving on, next question is customer rate. In customer rate, set constraint to ensure full-time employees work between 30 and 50 hours per week. Okay, set constraint to ensure full-time employees works between 30 and 50 hours per week. Click on add and cell references horsework. Okay, E5 to E7, then click on OK. Then click on add less than greater than is equal to 32. Constraint is 30 to 50. Then click on add and then second is 50 hours per week, 30 and 50 hours per week. Click on add and then cell reference is that horse work is E5 to E7 and then okay, less than is equal to 50. This is good now. Less than is equal to 50. Okay, then click add and then next step is that customer 9 is that set constraint to ensure part-time employees work between 0 and 20. Okay, you can see on my PC screen I have done this I have done this assignment for my many students and they all got A plus grade in their assignment, exam, quiz and complete course. You can see this grade. This course I have done for my other students. Please contact me for your course help or you want to read for assignment. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A plus grade in your all assignment, exam, quiz and complete course. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact easily on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete course for you and I will do complete assignment for you. I can handle all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing and many more courses. Please subscribe my channel to watch all videos in continue in future. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. My all students, please subscribe my channel. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel. Okay, I will help you in your future. Please subscribe my channel. If you do not able to do this, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much to my art students.